The morning cleaning routine I have involves 7 simple tasks that I try to get done every day just to keep our home cleaner, tidier, functioning better, and feeling more peaceful and comfortable as well. And oddly enough, the thing that helps me complete these 7 tasks is my coffee pot. And now I know you're wondering what I mean by that, so I'll tell you about it. So my morning cleaning routine takes me about 9 minutes, and the reason it takes that long is that's the amount of time it takes to brew our coffee in the morning. So when I get up, I'll take the kettle, fill it with some water, and set it on the stove to boil, and that takes about 5 minutes. Then it takes 4 minutes for our coffee to steep in the carafe, and I'll use that time to complete some basic housekeeping chores to get the day started so that our home is ready to receive the day. So in the 9 minutes it takes to get the coffee made, I divide some simple tasks into 1-minute chunks, and I'll show you the ones that I include.
First, I pull back the covers of the bed, open up the window and the blinds to let lots of fresh air and light in. Then I go into the living room and do a quick 2-minute tidy and straighten out pillows and blankets and put away any books or cups left on the coffee table from the night before and bring those into the kitchen. And I spent about 2 minutes on this task. Next, I'll wash any dishes that didn't get done the night before, and this only takes a minute since we try to do our dishes right after dinner. I also do a 2-minute hot spot declutter. Everyone has that spot in their house that tends to accumulate stuff, and for us, that's our hall table in the entryway. Next, I head into the bathroom and give a quick wipe of the sink and countertop area, mirrors, and give the toilet a quick swish, and all this takes about 60 seconds. After this, I'll do a quick sweep of the kitchen and take out the garbage. Both of these tasks combined take about 2 minutes. And then I'll make the bed because a made bed makes the whole room look tidier. And now the coffee's ready and our home is set for the day, and now I can spend a little bit of time enjoying reading or writing.
I find that on the days that I'm running short on time, if I just focus on the kitchen, the bathroom, and the bedroom, those 3 rooms, it goes a long way to making things feel more comfortable and functional and making things go a lot more smoothly during the day. So this routine really works for us to keep our home reasonably tidy all week, and then we're not overwhelmed later on when we're doing things like vacuuming or scrubbing out the tub, because the basics are reasonably getting kept up with and nothing is building up to a degree where it's overwhelming for us. One of the things that also helps to make our routine work is we try not to let clutter get too out of hand. We try to deal with it as it comes into the house, because when you have too much clutter, it makes our environment messy and it makes it more difficult to do basic homemaking tasks. And it can also negatively impact our mental health and increase our stress levels. And at the end of a long day, we want to be able to come home and be able to put our feet up and relax and enjoy the environment that we're in. So staying on top of clutter is a big one.
Good to have some of your cleaning supplies in a caddy or a basket so that it's ready and accessible for you to use. So in this one here, I have a couple of microfiber cleaning cloths. I have a couple of different all-purpose cleaners. This is glass cleaner here that I've made myself, and this is just filled halfway with water and 2 tablespoons of ammonia, and that cleans glass beautifully. And I also have a garbage bag in here so that when I go around cleaning, I can also pick up any garbage I see along the way.
Now, you might not use a coffee pot like I do, but you can set a timer for 10 minutes, or you can queue up a few of your favorite songs to enjoy while you get a few basic chores done. The idea is to use and take advantage of small blocks of time so that you can get a few of your things done. The interesting thing is that if you remove most of the obstacles that are standing in your way and you have your cleaning supplies ready to go and accessible, the actual cleaning doesn't take a lot of time and you can get a lot done in a short period of time. Let me know in the comments what your morning cleaning routine looks like if you have one, because it's so good that we all learn and share with each other to make our lives easier and better. Take care, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.